If you're a musician or composer looking for a powerful music notation software, you've probably heard of Sibelius, but is it really the best choice for your needs? Let's dive in and see what this software has to offer and if it lives up to the hype. Sibelius is designed primarily for composers and arrangers, offering a robust platform for creating, editing, and printing sheet music. One of its standout features is the ease of use. The interface is intuitive, which is great for beginners, but still powerful enough for seasoned professionals. You can input notes via MIDI, a mouse, or even a keyboard, making it versatile for different working styles. The software also supports a wide range of notations, including traditional, contemporary, and even jazz scores, which is a big plus for diverse musicians. It includes built-in playback features, allowing you to hear your compositions in real time, which can be a fantastic way to catch mistakes or refine your pieces. However, some users have pointed out that while it offers great functionality, certain advanced features can feel a bit overwhelming or buried in menus. The learning curve can be steep if you want to leverage the full power of the software. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Sibelius has a sleek interface and is highly regarded for its notation quality. It's also backed by a strong community, which means you can find plenty of tutorials and support online. On the downside, some users have expressed frustration with the pricing model. It operates on a subscription basis, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially casual users who don't need constant updates. Additionally, while the software is packed with features, some users mention that it can be resource heavy on older machines, leading to sluggish performance at times. Ultimately, serious composers may find it invaluable, while those looking for simpler solutions might want to explore alternatives. In summary, Sibelius is a powerful tool for serious musicians and composers, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for high-quality music notation and are willing to navigate a few complexities, it's worth trying out. However, if you're a casual user, you might want to consider simpler, more affordable options.